Hello and welcome. So I'm now ready to take out the jars from this box. I want to basically check that I got everything that I ordered. I know that there's supposed to be 17 jars and I've got the list here. I'll bring out all of them. These are the lids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a whole different. Okay. I have 17 altogether of these jars. I haven't actually checked the sizes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that is correct. I'm happy with this. I'm going to wash it and then I will come back with what I'm actually going to put in this. I'm quite surprised that these ones are just too small. I don't know what I can fit in this. Yeah. All right. Let's get to the washing. So as you can see, I have dried these ones. I started with a tissue paper, but I realized I was getting wet really quick, so I changed it to a kitchen towel. I am now going to put the remaining here. I've been draining them on the side. And to be honest with you, I don't know why I bought this. I think I wanted to put more water or something in there. But that's the whole reason why I bought this, to put my juice in one. I think the reason why I bought it will probably come to me later. But for now, I'm thinking, Iryn, what a waste. I was thinking of doing my puddings in this, so we shall see. Well, I'm gonna leave them on here as well. There are no kids in this house, so don't worry about hazard. I bought these to put nuts in them, but looking at it, I feel like it's a bit too small. So, yeah, it's way too small for it, and I'm a bit disappointed because I feel like I didn't get the sizes right. Yeah, because instead of these two, I should have actually bought this one instead, or even the cylinder ones. Where are they? Yeah, this one. So it looks like I may have to do some more purchases, but I'll make it work. I will make it work. So it's all done. Just gonna leave this to dry. I'll probably have a look at it again when I'm done with work and probably start to put the nuts and stuff in there. I am happy with what I have, but I think that a lot of the stuff that I've got that I thought I was going to be putting into this are not going to fit. When it's dry and I'm done with work, we're going to see what we can do with this whole stuff. And I think especially this one, I thought it was a lot bigger than this. So that's why I bought two to put like nuts in them. But it's way too small, smaller than I actually thought it would be. And even this one as well, I feel like this one is too small as well. So let's see how much we can actually fit in all of these. Happy, happy, happy. These are obviously for my juices. So I think I bought 4. 2 for different type of juice and then a smoothie or whatever I feel like doing. So once again, this is what we have for now. I'll check back later.